Hey folks, welcome to another training video. We're going to discuss the Snippets Gadget today, which allows us to preview and insert snippets into an editable region more conveniently than through a WYSIWYG toolbar icon. Let's go to a page and take a look. As I'm here on my page, you can see that I've got this heading here that discusses admission requirements for various types of prospective students. We've got some information for first-time students, transfer students, and also graduate applicants. What I want to do is take this content and put it into a collapsible accordion snippet. Now normally, in order to get that snippet on the page, I would go up to the Just Edit toolbar, click on the Snippets icon, then sort by category, select my snippet, preview it, and then press Insert. Now, that process works fine. There's nothing technically wrong with it, but if we use the Snippets gadget, we could be doing it a little more efficiently. So let's cancel out of the Snippets screen and go back to the editable region. This time, I'm going to expand the Gadgets Sidebar, and we'll see the Snippets gadget show up here. The Snippets gadget will only appear for me when I'm inside an editable region or in the source editor. Just as a reminder, when I am previewing a page or in the Pages List view, the gadget will not appear for me. Now, I've got my Snippets gadget open, and we can see that it takes me right to the list of snippets available to me. I have a drop-down menu at the top of my gadget that I can use to sort by category, just like the normal Snippet Chooser interface. Nothing too different here. Here's where things get neat, though. When I select a snippet, such as my accordion, I'll get a pop-over dialog box to preview the snippet, and in this dialog, I can toggle between a preview and a source code view of that snippet. When I'm ready to put the snippet on a page, I can just click Insert from the dialog, and the snippet will be placed where my cursor was located, just as if I was using the normal snippet process. However, I can also choose to simply click and drag the snippet from the gadget onto my page, something that's really nice if I already know what my snippet looks like and I don't need to preview it. Once the snippet's on the page, everything progresses as normal. The gadget's just nice because you can add snippets while still seeing your full editable region, as opposed to having it obscured by a big file chooser. Another unsung benefit to this gadget is that if I want to add snippets to a page while in the source editor, I can only really do so from the gadget. As we can see, there is no Insert Snippet toolbar option in the source editor, only Insert Asset. I can still use the gadget though, either through drag and drop or by previewing and hitting Insert. Now, for level 10 administrators, there is one more thing that you can configure for this gadget. From the Snippet screen in the Setup menu, I can click on the Snippets Gadget. Under Properties, I can choose which users can view the source of the snippets when they preview them in the gadget. Alright, now that we've seen this configuration option, we've basically covered everything you need to know about the Snippets Gadget. Here's a recap. The Snippets Gadget is only available from the Gadgets Sidebar when I'm inside of a WYSIWYG editor or the source editor. You can use the gadget to quickly browse the available snippets and add them to a page. You can preview the source code of the snippets and also drag and drop them onto the page, two things that cannot be done through the normal Snippet Chooser interface. Finally, a level 10 administrator can choose which users can preview the source code of snippets from inside the gadget. That wraps up our video on the Snippets gadget, folks. Thanks for watching.